Man, I'm freaking tired. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So last night, I picked up the new vehicle for the channel in about south of Oklahoma City by like an hour. I can't remember the city I was in. I think it was like Paul's Valley or something like that. Anyways, I am back home. I got home at 1:30 last night and had to be at work at 6 a.m. so I'm pretty tired, but I really wanted to make this video and show you guys the car that I've got. I'm sure a lot of you guessed it on the previous video. You may not have. I pulled a trick on Rigo and all my friends in the Snapchat group, and I totally convinced them that I got one car instead of another. But I'm here to show you finally the new car for the channel. Are you ready? How about this? Actually, before I flip the camera, let's cold start it and let you hear what it sounds like first. So, I'm sure you can tell what the car is by the sound. You ready? Pretty. Damn, I like this color. So guys, this is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. It's got the V8 5.0 liter Coyote motor with the 10-speed transmission. It is a 2018, so it's slightly used. It's got 15,000 miles on it. I wanted to get a brand new one, but a lot of the dealers, they were pretty close to the price I wanted, and I could not find this Orange Fury color. And when I saw this color like 6 months ago, and Kennedy and I fell in love with this color. I think it looks super awesome in person, and what I've got planned out for this car, I think it'll look so good with like the wheels and the accessories that I want to do. I think it'll really look good on this color, and you don't see this color that often. So it just happened to be, I was looking for a used one, and I found this color, and it was the spec that I wanted. I didn't want a premium, I didn't want the performance pack, because I'm gonna be modding this car, so for me, it makes no sense to get any of those amenities. So let's turn this off here. It just doesn't make sense to waste money on any of those amenities. So it's just a basic, I'll show you the interior. It doesn't even have the digital dash, but the only thing I cared about was the Coyote motor and the 10-speed transmission. So like I said, pretty basic on the inside, but that is exactly what I wanted. Didn't want to waste any money. Here's the sneaky cat plates, which I'll talk about these in just a second. So we'll set these down. We're gonna talk about those in just a second. So yeah, it's completely stock, one owner car, 15,000 miles, just a base 2018. And it's in pretty good condition. The paint is a little bit swirled, but we can fix that. It's a couple little odds and ends. Like this front headlight has a small little dink in it that someone fixed. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. Just trying to see if I noticed anything. I picked up the car at night, so I couldn't really see what was going on with it. But you know, Travis will be back in town, so we'll get like a full paint correction on it. We'll put a coating on it. We'll protect it. We may wrap it at some point. I don't know. We'll just kind of see where this takes us. But I'm super excited to start a new project, and it's a totally new platform for me. And for those of you that are like, oh my God, you switched from Mopar to Ford, how could you do that? You know, I pretty much did, not everything, but I did a lot with the Hellcat. And the next step was, like I said, going kind of crazy with it. And I didn't want to take a car that's that expensive there. I'd rather take a car like this, you know, a $25,000 to $30,000 car. I'd rather take that further. You know, it's not as nice of a car like the Hellcat. You know, you're chopping up a $70,000 car. You know, the resale value on it, you're killing it. Whereas this car, you know, the resale values aren't that great on these. And it's probably something I'll keep for a while, and then if I don't like it, you know, Kennedy really wants a Mustang, so maybe hand it down to her, and she can do a whole different build on it. So, but this is a good platform to build off of. I've got some pretty cool plans for it. It's gonna take some time, obviously, to mod it. Take some money, as always, but I think it's cool. It's a base, you know, it's a base model. There's absolutely nothing done to it. It's a good platform to start with, and I'm really excited to get going on it. So, let me know your guys' thoughts below. Like I said, it's all stock. The V8 5.0 Coyote motor does have the 10-speed transmission, which was a huge selling factor for me. That's why I really wanted a 2018 or a 2019. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys enjoy what we're doing with the new car. And by the way, I want to give, I don't know, my phone was randomly calling someone, I guess. Interesting. Sweet. Anyways, sneaky cat plates. I want to keep one of these, and I want to give one of these away because I've got the front and the back. So you guys let me know how you think I should give those away. I think we'll just do like a random drawing, something like that. You send your name in. I'll put it into like those random drawer things online, and then we'll draw a random name, and I'll ship one of you one of the sneaky cat plates. I'm keeping one because I really like them. They're my favorite plates, but we're definitely gonna give one of these away. So, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the car. Hopefully enjoy the content that's about to come. And we'll see you guys on the next one.